Saving money feels impossible. Not because you're lazy, not because you're bad with money, but because the system is designed to make spending easy and saving hard. In this video, you'll learn why saving feels so difficult, how your brain is wired against it, and the simplest system to start saving without thinking. No guilt, no hacks, just clarity. Saving is invisible, spending is visible. When you buy something, you get dopamine, pleasure, status, convenience. When you save, nothing happens. No notification, no reward, no applause. Your brain evolved for immediate survival, not long-term investing. It prioritizes now over later. So when people say, just save more, they're ignoring human biology. Spending feels good because your brain releases dopamine when you anticipate rewards. Shopping apps, one-click checkout, and buy now, pay later features are engineered to exploit this. You see something. You imagine owning it. Your brain rewards you before you even buy it. Saving does the opposite. It delays gratification. It feels like loss today for a future you can't see. This is why budgets fail and impulse purchases succeed. An emergency fund is not about wealth. It's about stability. 3 to 6 months of expenses in cash gives you one thing money can't usually buy: control. No panic, no debt spiral, no desperation. Most people don't save because emergencies feel abstract. But emergencies are guaranteed. The timing is the only mystery. Think of an emergency fund as financial oxygen. You don't notice it until you need it. Motivation is unreliable. Systems are not. The simplest trick to saving: automate it. Set a small percentage of your income to transfer to savings the moment you get paid. Before you see it, before you spend it. This is called paying yourself first. When saving is automatic, spending becomes the leftover. This flips the default behavior. You don't need discipline. You need defaults. Most people think saving requires big money. It doesn't. Start with 1%, $5, whatever feels too easy to fail. Small wins rewire your brain. Consistency beats intensity. Increase the amount slowly. Tie it to raises or side income. Make it invisible. Saving is a habit built in whispers, not explosions. Saving feels impossible because the world is designed for spending. Your phone, your ads, your friends, your culture. But saving is the quiet rebellion. It buys freedom, time, and peace of mind. Not things. You don't need to be rich to save. You need a system that respects human psychology. If you want more financial literacy explained simply, subscribe to Mr. Ledger. No motivation speeches, just money, explained clearly.